bebe, prinsesa ko, ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko. Mahal na mahal na mahal na sobrang pinakamahal na mahal kita. Hindi ko maiisip mabuhay nang wala ka.
I prayed and asked God to give me someone who would love me unconditionally, who would respect me and accept me, especially when I have my crazy moments, and God listened to my prayers because He gave me more than what I asked for, and now I have you.
I love the shape of your mouth. I love the taste of your lips. I love the way you pull me into you and I melt when you're holding my hips. I love the scar on your chest and all your perfect tattoos. You're a kind of drug, the kind that I need, the only kind I could choose. Oh, we can't get any better than this. You've stolen me with your perfect kiss, and I know, I know, I know who I've waited for. I love the sound of your laugh when you throw back your head. I love the way you always reach for my hand when I get out of bed. I love the way that you taste, call me ball and chain, but you would sink to the depths of the sea, still breathing my name. We can't get any better than this. You've stolen me with your perfect kiss, and I know, I know, I know who I've waited for. You capture me, but it's no